I'm gonna say something very important. If you are tired all the time, bloated, your immunity is weak, and you keep taking supplements with no real result, this spoon might do more for you than half of what's in your kitchen cabinet. And no, this is not a viral recipe, this is wisdom. Listen to me as your doctor. Our bodies don't always need more pills. Sometimes they need the right food at the right time in the right combination. Today, I'm sharing a recipe I personally prepared. Simple and natural, but very powerful if you use it correctly. This is dates soaked in olive oil, mixed with sesame seeds and black seeds. The black seeds our grandmothers never lived without. Four ingredients, but each one has a job. Dates are not just sugar, they give your body clean energy. They support digestion and they help people who feel weak, dizzy, or exhausted. If you wake up tired, if your stomach feels heavy, if your body feels off, dates help your system reset. Olive oil is not just for cooking, it supports your gut, your heart, and your inflammation levels. When dates are soaked in olive oil, your body absorbs nutrients better and digestion becomes smoother. Sesame seeds are rich in minerals, calcium, magnesium, and zinc. That's mean support for your bones and your hormones, even your mood. And black seeds, this one is so special. It supports immunity and it helps the body fight inflammation. Also, it helps balance, not push. That's why this recipe feels very gentle but effective. Now, listen carefully because this part is very important. This recipe is helpful if you feel tired all the time, have digestion problems, feel low immunity, or want natural daily support. Best time usually in the morning, but not for everyone because natural doesn't mean safe for all. If you have certain conditions or you take specific medications, the timing and amount can change. And this is where people make mistakes. They hear a recipe, they try it randomly, then they say it didn't work. I made this recipe myself. I don't share things I don't believe in. Food is powerful, but only when you respect it. If you want me to tell you exactly how much to take, who should avoid it, and how to customize it for your body, write recipe in the comments below. And I will reply to you myself. And if you know someone who's always tired or bloated, share this video with. Don't forget to subscribe because more natural medical advices are coming, simple, honest, and safe. Your body listens, so choose wisely what you feed it.